Simon & Garfunkel's beautiful Sound of Silence, adapted for a Maple Leaf Foods plan to build a mega slaughterhouse in London, Ontario that'll kill 500,000 chickens every day. Please follow along in the campaign, Stop Maple Leaf Violence, on Instagram and Facebook. Hello activists, my friends, I've come to sing with you again. Maple Leaf is grimly weeping, precious baby chickens weeping, and the abattoir they're planning for our town is breaking ground. We fear the sound of violence. In endless trucks they lose their lives. She'll be murdered, she must die. Lose her life in a gas chamber. How we wish that we could save her. We use her body for our pleasure and the taste of a single meal. What do you feel about the sound of violence? And in the slaughter truck we saw 10,000 babies, maybe more. Chickens covered in their feces, discriminated based on species. Speciesism takes their lives, and Maple Leaf don't care, and no one dares disturb the sound of violence. Dying chick said, don't you know, violence like a cancer grows. Here are words that we might teach you, take our wings that we might reach you. But their words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the hell of violence. And the people bowed and prayed to the billionaire McCains, and our signs spelled out their warning from the lives that they were harming. And the sign said speciesism's a social justice cause, take lives no more. We railed against the sound of violence. Thanks for watching. Join the campaign if you're willing.